Hello guys, welcome back. What I have for you today is a challenge lock sent to me by Tom. He said take extra care with this lock as it was a personal lock sent to him. It is called the Sly Fox by T&J. The lock does work smoothly. The key doesn't like to go in that way, but once it's in, it's very smooth. I will be picking it upside down today, as I've found it's the only way I can pick it. Hopefully we'll get this picked so we can gut this today and find out what's inside. I will be using bottom of the keyway tension, and I will be using the half diamond. Straight in looking for a binder. That was pin 5. Pin 3. Little click out one there. That was pin 4. Pin 4 again. I think I dropped it there. It was pin 2. And this is where I get to, but that was, I think that was pin 5 again. And I get a really deep false set, and I get no feedback whatsoever when I get to this point. None whatsoever. But I found that around about pin 4 is locked up. So what I've found is if I tension with the same hand as my pick, find the binding pin, that's it, and I take another tension wrench for the top of the keyway. Hopefully I can get this on camera. Slipped off that there. There, and we have an open. I don't know what's holding it up, but that's all. When I've counter rotated it without the tension on the bottom, I reset the pins. So I thought I'd give that a try, and it did work for me. So we do still have an open. Let's see if we can find out what's inside this today. We do have a key, but I'll try not to lock it back up. And as it is a challenge lock, I will be using a shim. As I say, it was a very kind of Tom to send me these locks. And this one was a really fun pick. I just don't understand why I was not getting the feedback from that pin 4. Well, I can see some weirdness straight away there. We've got a cut. That's what must have been holding it up on either side, so it would have caught me either way I'd done it. Doesn't look like anything else is done to the other 3, but that's great work, that. Let's take a look at the pins. Pin 1 looks to be a little serration at the end. Pin 2 the same. 3 double serration. 4 is a standard, and 5 is a standard. take a look upstairs. Standard. Doesn't seem to want to come out. We'll see if we can get the springs at the end. A spool. Another spool. This is the one that was holding us up. By the looks of that, I can see why. Oh, that's just awesome, that pin. Really sharp. We'll take a look how that would have got caught up in a minute. So I'm assuming pin 5 should be the same, because it would have caught me up the other way. Right, now we'll go down 4 springs. Spring 1's a brass. Looks to be a steel pin. Something with a bit more of a hook. Again, another brass spring. Another steel spring. And another brass spring. So the pins go. There's some very nice springs there, pins there, sorry about that. So this is what was holding us up. So it must have caught around there, that's why I was getting such a deep false set. That is absolutely awesome. Very, very nice lock. And again, that would have been pin 5, so if I'd have picked it the other way, it would have got caught up again. And it does look undercut. Yeah, a little bit of undercut there, so it would have caught anyway. Absolutely awesome lock. Thank you very much, Tom, for sending me it. It was a great pick, great lock. If you like them, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.